It's coming. It's coming. There you have it. Audi TT FSI. Lovely car. I've already done some work to the car, but it does need a bit of a clean.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Woohoo! Check this out!
See already, just using the Maguire's shampoo, the coat on the car straight away is totally different to what it was. I swear by this stuff. Okay, so we're going to be using this Maguire's Ultimate Compound Colour and Clarity Restorer.
Today's weather, sunny with passing shower of compliments.
And there she is, all finished. She's had a shampoo, a colour repair, a polish and a wax. And look, showroom quality.
I'm obsessed with this. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Obsessed.
Paint popped.
Elegant. Powerful. Radiant. Exceptional. Dynamic. Admired.
So, if anybody decides to buy Maguire's car care product because of this video, please put it in the comments and let me know how you get on with it, because just looking at this you can see the results are amazing.
New look loading. Bing, 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 dong. New look loading.